Hi and welcome to FoxWeave. So getting started with FoxWeave is very straightforward. You've got two options. Okay, so firstly you can sign up and get a full account, so you get full access with that, or you can just click on this blue button here on the sign up page and use a temporary account. So that will let you experiment with FoxWeave, build integration pipelines, but it won't allow you to actually start any of the integrations. But it's good enough to give you a feel for what FoxWeave is about, and means you don't have to sign up. So assuming you have an account, so if you do sign up, you'll get a username and password and it'll allow you to sign in. So you just click the sign in button here. Okay, so I have a sample account called Joe Blogs. Well, it'll be your email address. Log in. Now, the first thing you'll see basically is on the three panels on the console. On the left panel here is where you have your integration applications. They'll be listed here. At the moment, there are no integration apps on this account. So just click this little add button here. So just call it test app. Okay, and what we'll do is we'll create an integration app to sync Salesforce contacts to a MailChimp mailing list. Okay, so we'll just select Salesforce here and we'll select MailChimp. Okay, so we'll see the components are not configured, but you also see that on the left hand side here we have an integration app, and within that integration app we have a single pipeline. So what an integration app is basically then is a group of associated integration pipelines, and an integration pipeline is simply an integration task. So in this case, to take Salesforce, we're going to configure that to listen for Salesforce contacts, and from that add a subscriber to a MailChimp mailing list. But you can add multiple pipelines, so multiple integrations per app, and they will be stopped and started as a unit then. Okay, so let's configure Salesforce. So basically on the Salesforce connector you can have multiple, you basically select the Salesforce account, but you can have multiple accounts, so you can add additional accounts there, and we're just going to use the one I have configured here. So you just select the account, it goes out to Salesforce, gets the actual Salesforce objects on your account, and we select contact. Okay, you can also add a data filter on the input connector, and that's simply just filters based on the content, and this is supported by all connectors. Okay, so you can filter on that, so if it's whatever not a value, then you can put in these simple rules, so it's kind of standard stuff. Okay, and then on MailChimp, same again. Now we've got one account here, but you can add multiple accounts. So we'll just select this one. It goes out and finds the what mail list we've got on that account. We just select that mail list and we'll say we want to add a subscriber. And then on the output connector, what you've got on the output of a pipeline, you basically need to map the data into the output format. So it's mapping the data from Salesforce contact into the MailChimp subscriber. So we need to get the email from the contact, and that's basically it. So these are some other MailChimp fields. Okay, so that's it. We've created that integration app. So again, you can add additional pipelines there, but we won't do it in this case. Okay, just delete that one. Okay, so we've just got one pipeline of this. So we just hit start. So when you hit start, you'll see that you've got FoxWeave. Now, there's only one option by default, but you can actually install an agent in-house and deploy and run your integrations in-house as well. And you can also configure your account with CloudBees PaaS, so you can actually run your integrations out in PaaS. So these other options basically allow you to maybe if you have security issues in terms of privacy of the data that you're syncing between two different applications, maybe you don't want to run it through FoxWeave's infrastructure. In that case, you can run it on an on-premise, or you can run it on your PaaS. Also, you might be connecting to a database or something on-premise, and FoxWeave supports that as well. So let's just start this app now. You hit start, and it basically starts the application on FoxWeave infrastructure, and that's pretty much it. Okay, so that's a simple example of getting started on FoxWeave. Thank you.